Good afternoon, boys and girls. So ਆਪਾਂ ਜੋ ਕੱਲ ਟੌਪਿਕ ਜਿੱਥੋਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਲੀਵ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀ that is your relating to allied angles, ਸੋ ਆਪਾਂ ਅੱਜ ਫਿਰ ਉਸ ਤੇ ਕੰਟੀਨਿਊ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਔਰ ਮੈਂ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਹੋਪ ਕਰਾਂਗਾ ਕਿ ਜਿਸ ਵੇ ਨਾਲ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੱਲ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਰਿਸਪੌਂਸ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਸੀ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਮਚ ਬੈਟਰ ਰਿਸਪੌਂਸ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਅੱਜ ਦੇ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ। ਔਰ ਕਈ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟਸ ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਸਪੋਜ਼ ਕਰ ਲਓ ਉਹ ਕੱਲ ਆਂਸਰਸ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਆ ਰਹੇ ਤਾਂ ਆਈ ਐਮ ਸ਼ੋਰ ਕਿ ਅੱਜ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਆਂਸਰਸ ਆਉਣਗੇ। So first question which we are going to discuss here is that is cos of minus 8 pi by 3. So we have to find the value of this. Now listen all of you. So beta, first step while finding their values is whether it is sine, cos, tan, cot, secant, cosecant. You have to write down your angle in the positive direction, that is anti-clockwise direction. Now, because cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta, so continue with this. That means this is cos of 8 pi by 3. So this should be your first step. Now, can I write this as cos of 8 upon 3 into 180? That is your cos of 480 degrees. That means this angle is cos of 480 degrees. So what do you mean by that? That means that one complete rotation of 360 degrees, then 90 is added 450 degrees, then it falls in the second quadrant. So once again, all of you can see here, because जो ਆਪਾਂ ਕੱਲ क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर रहे ਸੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੋਈ ਐਂਗਲ 360 ਨੂੰ ਐਕਸੀਡ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀ। ਸੋ ਫਰਸਟ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਹੈ ਜੋ ਆਪਾਂ ਡਿਸਕਸ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਜਿਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਿ ਐਂਗਲ ਇਜ਼ ਐਕਸੀਡਿੰਗ 360 degrees. So 480 degree means that one complete rotation. This is one complete rotation of 360 degrees plus 90, 450 plus 30. Now it falls in the second quadrant. So I'm not interested whether it is falling in the first, second, third or fourth quadrant. I'm just saying that it has completed one complete rotation. So how we are going to tackle the questions in which it has completed one complete rotation? So 360 plus 120 degrees. Okay. So before continuing with this, let me write down P ratios of 360 plus theta. 360 plus theta means that angle will fall in the, that is it has completed one complete rotation. That sine 360 plus theta will be sine theta. Cos 360 plus theta is cos theta. Tan 360 plus theta is tan theta, and so on. That means because we always take theta to be acute angle, that means it will fall in the first quadrant. In the first quadrant, all are positive. Now, it is cos 120, but we have yet to reduce this angle to acute angle. This is not as such an acute angle. Okay, there are two ways now. One way out, cos 90 plus 30, other way out, cos of 180 minus 60. ਹੁਣ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬੇਟੇ ਜਦੋਂ ਕੁਐਸਚਨਸ ਨੂੰ ਸੋਲਵ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ you can use any method, that is 90 plus 30 or 180 minus 60. In fact, believe me, ਜੋ ਮੈਂ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਮੇਰਾ ਵੀ ਨਾ ਦੇਖਣਾ, ਜੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਮਾਈਂਡ ਜੋ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਟ੍ਰਾਈਕ ਕਰਦਾ ਉਸ ਚੀਜ਼ ਨੂੰ ਅਡਾਪਟ ਕਰਨਾ। 120 ਦੀ ਐਡੀਸ਼ਨ ਕਰਨੀ ਹੈ ਬੇਟੇ, you can do it by 90 plus 30 or 180 minus 60. If I use it this one, can I say that it is minus sine 30, which is minus half? If I use this one, can I say that it is minus cos 60? So either way, the answer is minus half here. So that is either way, the answer is minus half here. So basically, bete, आज जो आपा questions आपा discuss करांगे, जो आपा solve करांगे class ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, so मेरी tendency ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਹੋਏਗੀ ਕਿ ਜਿਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਡੀਆਂ multiple rotations ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਅਸੀਂ angle ਨੂੰ how we are going to reduce this to your acute angle and to get their values here. Right, beta? Okay. Now, so all of you write down what is the value of sine of minus theta, cos of minus theta, tan of minus theta. So usual forms, ਜਦੋਂ ਬੇਟੇ ਮੇਰਾ second lecture ਜੋ ਆ ਹੁੰਦਾ relating to allied angles, ਤਾਂ ਮੈਂ class enter ਕਰਨ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਪਹਿਲੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਜੋ students ਨੂੰ ਕਹਿਣਾ, write down t ratios of all the angles starting from 90 minus theta to 2 pi plus theta, that is 360 plus theta. So this is the first one. So all of you write down their values, beta. Okay, beta. Okay. All of you write down their values. What is sine of minus theta? What is cos of minus theta? What is tan of minus theta? Good, beta. Very good. Excellent. Very good. Okay. Write down what is sine of minus theta, cos of minus theta, tan of minus theta. Okay, that's right, beta. Okay. Devesh, very good, beta. Shabash. That's very good. Excellent. So sine of minus theta, cos of minus theta, tan of minus theta. That's right, beta. Okay. Write down all their values here. So okay, this is your what's that? Okay. So that's right, beta. So sine of minus theta is minus sine theta. Cos of minus theta is cos theta. Tan of minus theta is minus tan theta. So excellent, beta. Very good, shabash. Now, because ki kai wari ki hunda beta sanu sequence wise values yaad hai, but deliberately main onu in a puzzle form main hun tonu de raha values. All of you write down what is the value of sine of 180 plus theta. You write down value of cos of 270 minus theta. Then you write down what is tan of 360 minus theta. But write down their values, all of you. What is the value of sine 180 plus theta? But all of you, all the values. What is sine 180 plus theta, cos 270 minus theta, and that is your tan of 360 minus theta. All of you write down the values. Okay, so write down the values of sine 180 plus theta, cos 270 minus theta, tan 360 minus theta. बेटा आंसर जरूर ਦਿਓ, मैं कल भी ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਇਹੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਸੀ, ਕੋਈ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਨਹੀਂ, ਗਲਤ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੋਣ ਦਿਓ, ਗਲਤ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਤਾਂ ਹੀ ਤਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਠੀਕ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ। ਪਰ ਜੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਸਪੋਜ਼ ਕਰ ਲਓ ਇਫ ਯੂ ਡੋਨਟ ਆਨਸਰ ਯੋਰ ਕੁਐਸਚਨਸ, ਤਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਜਦੋਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਐਕਚੁਅਲੀ ਸੋਲਵ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ, ਪ੍ਰੈਕਟੀਕਲੀ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਬੇਸਿਸ ਤੇ ਸੋਲਵ ਕਰਨੇ, ਫਿਰ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ? Let it be wrong, no problem at all, but respond ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਕਰੋ। So sine of 180 plus theta, it is minus sine theta. Cos 270 minus theta, it is minus sine theta. Tan 360 minus theta, it is minus tan theta. So these are your values. Sine 180 plus theta is minus sine theta. Cos 270 minus theta is minus sine theta. Tan 360 minus theta is minus tan theta. Okay, so another question based on this. So first I am going to solve, after that I will ask you certain questions. Now first one is, let us say we have to find out the value of cosecant of 390 degrees. Now let me solve this question. Cosecant of 390 degrees means that it has completed one complete rotation. So that means this can be written as cosecant of 360 plus 30. Now it falls in the first quadrant. Cosecant of 360 plus 30. So that means it is positive cosecant 30. Positive cosecant 30 means because sine 30 is half, cosecant 30 it's reciprocal. That means the value is 2 here. Again, beta jab tusi aaj answers doge, that's very good, wonderful beta, that's very good. Devesh, Divyanuj, Javardhan, Sameer, that's very good beta. Yes, you have the correct answer. Correct answer is 2 here. Okay, now all of you solve the questions. The first one is, Find out the value of tan of 480 degrees. Find out the value of tan of 480 degrees. All of you. Find out the value of tan of 480 degrees. Tanish, excellent, beta, very good. Agrim, very good, shabash. Sayam, that's right, beta, very good. Divener, shabash. Divenur, shabash. Divesh, very good, shabash. Very good, excellent. Samir, no, beta. Jayvardhan, shabash, that's very good, excellent. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖ ਲਓ ਬੇਟਾ prompt ਮੈਨੂੰ reply ਹੈ. Good, very good. Tamanna, that's very good. Gurmeher, shabash, very good. Harshit, very good, shabash. Harjinder, beta, better if you once again check your answer. Yes, Jiggle, your answer is correct. Harsh, your answer is correct. Okay, the next one, your answer is correct. Okay, Gushan, that's right, beta, answer is correct. That's very good. Please, please, सारे try करो, कोई गल नहीं. Again, सारे students जरूर try करो. अपने आज ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਦੀ ਸਾਰੇ questions हैं. Kashika, shabash, beta, very good. Okay, that's right, beta. So you can see here tan 480 can be written as tan of 360 plus 120 degrees. I said one complete rotation. After that, it is always going to be the tan of the tan or sine or cos of the say angle when it has completed one rotation. That's right. Now tan 120. Can I write down 120 as 180 minus 60? Now tan 180 minus theta is minus tan theta. So that is why this is equal to minus root 3 here. Clear? Is that clear to all of you? Okay. You solve the next one. So next is beta sine of minus 11 pi by 3. Find out the value of sine of minus 11 pi by 3. Find it. Okay, Hartish. Okay, beta. Okay, that's very good. Good afternoon, Hartish. So all of you find the value of sine of minus 11 pi by 3. So all of you find out the value of what is sine of minus 11 pi by 3. Yes, beta, Brahmjot, very good. Your answer is correct. Tanish, your answer is correct. Divyanu, that's right, beta, your answer is correct. Sayam, you go through once again you check the sign, beta. Agrim, is it okay? Yes, Devesh, your answer is correct. Jayvardhan, that's right, beta, this is the correct answer. That's very good, beta. So all of you find out the value of sine of minus 11 pi by 3. So Tamanna, that's right, beta, your answer is correct. Very good, Jugal Kishore, your answer is correct. That's right, Harshit, yes, this is the correct answer. Perfect, excellent. Okay, now let me solve this question. I said first of all you have to write down your angle in the anti-clockwise direction, that is the positive sense here. Gushan, that's right, beta. Gurmeher, that's right. Okay, Hartej, that's right, beta. So positive angle, because sine of minus theta is equal to minus sine theta. So that means that makes it minus sine of 11 pi by 3. First and foremost thing, write down your angle in the anti-clockwise direction. Now you can see that it is written in the anti-clockwise direction. So can I write this as minus sine 11 into 60? That is your minus sine of 660 degrees here. So whether you continue with radians or degrees is not going to make any difference, right? Now, can I write this as minus sine of, what is that? It is 4 pi minus 60, or if I write down minus sine of, that is your 720 minus 60. Now, this means that it is minus sine of beta 2 complete rotations. So you can see here, one complete rotation 360, other complete rotation 720 minus 60. So that means it will fall in the fourth quadrant. So that means minus sine of, now since I have already explained this, I can straightway write down the answer. It is minus of minus sine 60, which is your sine 60, which is your root 3 by 2 here. So this is your answer. You can see here it is positive root 3 by 2. Now what is the other way out to solve this question? Now you can see here, so from here, after this step, can I write this as minus sine 360 plus 300? It is minus sine of 360 plus 300. That makes it sine of 300. You have to write this angle as an acute angle. Acute angle means, so same thing you will get here, 360 minus 60. Here you are getting 720 minus 60. So beta with practice सानू पता लगना शुरू हो जाएगा कि चाहे किसी ऐसे में continue करो or you continue with this or multiples of 90 degrees, even then you can get the answer. So what is that? Minus of minus sine 60. You can see here it is positive sine 60, which is your root 3 by 2. So this is your answer here. Okay. Now solve the next one. So all of you find out the value of, this is cot of minus 15 pi by 4. Find out the value of cot of minus 15 pi by 4. All of you. Brahmjot, very good. This is the correct answer. Very good. Shabash. Excellent. Tanish, very good. Shabash. This is the correct answer, beta. Divyanur, beta, please check the sign. Yes, Harjinder, this is the correct answer. Yes, Devesh, this is the correct answer. Hartej, that's very good, beta. This is the correct answer. Harmanjeet Singh, that's very good. Okay, Divyanur, that's right. Jugal Shabash. Yes, very good. Beta, मैंने हजे भी सारे students को response नहीं मिल रहा. I want answer from each and every student sitting in the class, not in the class anyway, online class. Yes, Harsh Gurmehir, that's right. You have the correct answer. Sayam, that's very good, beta. This is the correct answer. Okay. Any student having any problem in solving this question? Anyone having any problem in solving this question? Okay, yes, all of you are getting the correct answer. Those students who are unable to solve this question, please Okay, sir, how to convert? Okay, beta. So let me solve this question. First of all, because cot of minus theta is minus cot theta, so that means now it is written in the anti-clockwise direction. Absolutely fine, beta. जो तुसी question put कीता है, okay, that's right, beta. I'm going to solve this question for you, Tamanna. So most important thing is first you write down your angle in the anti-clockwise direction. So this is minus cot of 15 into this is 45, which is your minus cot of 675 degrees. So Tamanna beta, there are two ways. One way out. One is that minus cot of 670, 360 minus something. This is one way out. So that is your, and that means, sorry, it's not 360. It is 360 into 2, which is your 720 minus, how much is that? 45. 720 minus 45 is, that is your 675 degrees. I hope you can understand this point. 360 into 2 is 720 minus 45, that makes it 675 degrees. Okay, beta, that's very good, fine. So it is minus cot of 360 into 2 minus 45. Since the angles beta falls in the fourth quadrant, cot of the angle, that means it is negative. So minus cot 45, this is your plus cot 45, which is your plus 1. This is the answer here. Okay, beta. So once again, and what is the other way out? Other way out is, it is minus cot of 360 plus 315 degrees. Beta, the multiple rotations dekh lo. Although in this case it is one complete rotation here. So that gives you minus cot of 315 degrees. So same step, it is 360 minus 45, which is minus of cot 45, which is equal to plus 1. So this way you can get the answer. Okay, solve the next one. Now next question to all the students. So next is beta sine square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4. Tell me what is the answer. So what is the value of sine square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4? So all of you find out the value of this. Find it. Tamanna, it is not going to make any difference, beta, whether you complete 1 rotation, 2, 3, 4 rotations. So it is not going to make any difference. Next question, in which maybe I will give you an example where we will have more than 2 rotations here, beta. Makes no difference. No, Javardhan, beta, no, this is not the correct answer. So once again, see what is the answer to this question. Divyanur, that's right, beta. Excellent. This is the correct answer. That's very good, beta. This is the correct answer. Yes, Divesh, that's right. Tanish, that's right. Tanish, what you have written here? Harjinder, that's right. This is the correct answer. Yes, Gushan, Samir. All of you are getting the correct answers. Okay, beta. Okay, it's fine. Agrim, that's right. Okay, beta. Okay. Yes, Jigal, that's right. Yes, Harmanjeet. Brahmjo, that's right, beta. This is the correct answer. Gurmeher, that's right. Yes, Mana, that's right. This is the correct answer. So ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖ ਲਓ ਬੇਟੇ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟਸ ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਰਿਸਪੌਂਡ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਕੌਨਫੀਡੈਂਸ ਅਪ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ ਮੇਰਾ ਕੌਨਫੀਡੈਂਸ ਅਪ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ ਬਿਕੋਜ਼ ਸੋ when ਤੁਸੀਂ ਰਿਸਪੌਂਡ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਮੀਨਸ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹ ਚੀਜ਼ ਨੂੰ ਫੋਲੋ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ okay so now let me write down the answer to this question because it is sine 30 which is half square cos 60, which is half square, tan 45, 1 square, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 minus 1, 1 by 2 minus 1. So this is your minus half is the answer. Hartej, that side, beta, this is the correct answer. Harshit, that side, this is the correct answer. Now, next question is, okay, so this is your, let us say this is your question, sine of 17 pi by 6. So all of you find out the value of sine of 17 pi by 6. Find out the value. Brahmjot, no beta. Devanur, that side. No, Harjinder, no beta. This is not the correct answer. Brahmjot, no. Harjinder, better you check the sign here. Javardhan, that side. Harmanjeet, sign check karo. Agrim, no, this is not the correct answer. Jugal, that's right. Sayam, no beta, no, this is not the correct answer. Devesh, that side, this is the correct answer. Harshit, this is the correct answer. Samir, no beta, no. Tamanna, no beta, no, this is not the correct answer. Hartej, that side, this is the correct answer. Gershan, no beta, no, this is not the correct answer. Please respond, all of you. ठीक है Naman, that side, this is the correct answer. Sumir, now this is the correct answer, that side. That side, Kashika, Shabash bete, very good, this is the correct answer. So let it be wrong, गलत होता है होने दो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, रिस्पॉन्ड करना बहुत जरूरी है. Yes, Sarjinder, that side. Okay, beta, okay, that side, fine. So now let me solve this question. So first of all, I can write this as sine of 17 into 30, which is your sine of 510 degrees. So one complete rotation, it is sine of 360 plus 150 degrees. So it is sine of 150 degrees, which is sine of 180 minus 30. So which is your positive sine 30, which is equal to half. Right, beta. Gurmeer, no beta. Sign check karo. It is coming to be positive half and not minus half. Now solve the next one. Now next question is, so it is tan of 225 degrees plus, it is not plus, it is multiplied by cot of 405 degrees plus tan 765 degrees into cot of 675 degrees. So question is tan 225 into cot 405 plus tan 765 into cot 675 degrees. Find out the value of this. Tanish sir, fourth quadrant में तो negative होगा sign. Yes, beta, fourth quadrant, but 510 is not in the fourth quadrant, beta. Tanish, 360 degrees, one complete rotation. Then 450 degrees plus 60. So, beta, Tanish, it is in the second quadrant, not in the fourth quadrant. Right, beta? Now, Brahmja, you have said that, sir, can we do it by sine? Yes, you can do it that way also. Again, you will get the same answer. So, Brahmja, you can do either with 90 plus or 180 minus, is not going to make any difference. You will get the same answer. So, all of you get the value of this. I hope, Tanish, you are getting to the point here. So, that is it is second quadrant and not the fourth quadrant. Hartej, excellent, beta. Your answer is correct. That's very good, Shabash. That's very good. This is the correct answer. Yes, Javardhan, that's right. Yes, beta. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, Hartej, your answer is correct. Okay, Danish, do try to solve the next one. What is that you have written here? Sir, what cot of 2 pi? You can do it 2 pi plus theta. No, it makes no difference. Yes. Brahmdev, that's right. Jiggle, that's right. Devesh, that's right, beta. Your answer is correct. Perfect, perfect. Very good, excellent. Beta, देख लो कल नालों better response है students दा, which clearly shows कि तुसी properly सारे students ने homework करके आए हो. Great, beta, great, very good. All of you are getting the correct answer. Please do try to find out the value of this, all of you. What is cot of 2 pi plus theta? Beta, cot of 2 pi plus theta will also be, that is your cot theta, because one complete rotation it has covered. Then plus theta, so it is cot theta here. Please slow down. Okay, beta, okay, it's fine. Okay, beta, okay, yes. Tamana, that's right. Excellent. बेटा बहुत अच्छी गल है जे किसी ਨੂੰ ਕੁਝ ਲੱਗ ਰਿਹਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕੁਝ ਵੀ ਇੰਟੀਮੇਟ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਕਰ ਦਿਓ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਥੋੜੀ ਸਪੀਡ ਤੇਜ਼ ਲੱਗ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਮੈਂਸ਼ਨ ਕਰ ਦਿਓ good this is the correct answer even I will expect other students to solve this question remaining students to solve this question please Sameer that's right Gurmeer that's right this is the correct answer okay this is the correct answer okay so first what is tan of 225 degrees so tan of 225 degrees is tan of 180 plus 45 degrees tan 180 plus theta is tan theta so that means its value is positive 1 now हाँ बेटे हाँ जरूर yes जुगल जरूर likes दो now next is cot of 405 degrees so this can be written as cot of 360 plus 45 so cot of 360 plus 45 is cot 45 again its value is plus 1 coming to the next one tan of 765 degrees so Tamana you can see here now it has completed 2 rotations so that means tan of 2 into 2 pi plus that is your 45 degrees so मैं normally बेटा जे तुसी आंसर रेडियंस च लिख रहे हो तो दोनों केस रेडियंस लिखना बट मैं सिर्फ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ एक्सप्लेन करना है कि 2 pi it has completed 2 rotations of 2 pi so 2 into 2 pi plus 45 degree that means again it will fall in the first quadrant so that means it is tan of 45 which is plus 1 here now come to the last part which is your cot of 675 degrees it is cot of 720 degrees minus 45 so that means 2 complete rotations then it moves backwards by an angle of 45 degrees so fourth quadrant minus cot of 45 which is your minus 1 so the value of this is 1 into 1 plus 1 into minus 1 1 minus 1 this is equal to 0. So this is the exact answer here. So is this clear to all of you, beta? So this is the answer here. Now please solve the next one. This is sine of 8 pi by 3 into cos of 23 pi by 6 plus cos of, this is 13 pi by 3 into sine of 35 pi by 6, and you have to find the value of this. But even you can take 5 minutes to solve this question, but do try to get the values of these four t ratios. So sine 8 pi by 3, cos 23 pi by 6 plus cos 13 pi by 3 into sine of 35 pi by 6. Evaluate this better. Find the value of this, all of you. Find the value of this. आराम नाल करना बेटे, आप गलत नहीं करना. टाइम ज्यादा लगा सकते हो, बट आराम नाल करो. So now let me discuss this question. So deliberately बेटे मैं ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ आंसर ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ डिस्कस नहीं ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀ, रीजन being because ਜਦੋਂ ਕਈ स्टूडेंट्स ਕਰ ਰਹੇ हैं ਤਾਂ ਜੇ ਮੈਂ आंसर ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਦੱਸਦਾ ਤਾਂ ਉਹ curiosity ਖਤਮ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ. So Kashika, excellent, and those students who have got the answer of this question as half is the correct one. Half is the correct answer. Now let me find out the values of each of these four t ratios. The first one is sine of 8 pi by 3. So one by one follow each step, और जिस थां ते तुहाडी mistake है बेटा उन्हें check करना. So it can be written as sine of, that is your 8 into 60, that means your sine of 480 degrees. So sine of 480 means this is sine of 360 plus 120 degrees. So sine of 360 plus 120 means sine of 120 degrees. Sine of 120 degrees means that it is sine of 180 minus 60, which is sine 60, which is your root 3 by 2. So the value of sine 8 pi by 3 is coming to be root 3 by 2. Right? So this was the first t ratio. So you first go through this. After that we will get the value of cos of 23 pi by 6. So पहले इन्हें observe कर लो. It is coming to be root 3 by 2 here. This is the value here. It is root 3 by 2. Is that clear? Now this is cos of 23 into 30. It is cos of 690 degrees. Cos of 690 degrees means cos of 720 minus 30. बेटे मे बी ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਜੋ ਕਿਸੇ स्टूडेंट ਨੂੰ ਲੱਗ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੋ ਕਿ why I have taken 720 because बेटा मैं किस चीज ਨੂੰ ਕੰਸੀਡਰ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਹਾਂ. ਹੁਣ ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਲੈਟਸ ਸੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਪਿਛਲੇ 5 6 7 8 10 ਕੁਐਸਚਨਸ ਕੀਤੇ हैं ਤਾਂ ਅਬਜ਼ਰਵ ਕਰਨਾ मैं उस ਥਾਂ ਦੇ ਵੈਲਿਊਜ਼ ਲੈ ਰਿਹਾ ਜੋ 180 minus 180 plus 360 minus or 360 plus. So 720 means 1 complete rotation, 2 complete rotations, minus 30 degrees, fourth quadrant. So you have written here half a calculation hour. Okay. So this is equal to cos 30, which is your root 3 by 2. Cos of 23 pi by 6 is equal to cos 23 into 30 cos 690. 690 can be written as 720 minus 30, which is your cos 30, which is your root 3 by 2. Right? Now, coming to the next one. Next was, this is your third part. Cos of 13 pi by 3. Can I write this as cos of 13 into 60, which is your cos of 780 degrees? Yes, that's right, beta. That's right. That's right. That's very good. At least now you are getting the correct answer. Okay. Okay, that's right. So this is your cos of, what is that? 720 plus 60. To be more precise, you can write this as cos of 2 into 360 plus 60. So 2 complete rotations of 360 degree, then plus 60. So that gives you cos 60 and the value is half. Now coming to the next one. Next was, what is that? It is sine of 35 pi by 6. Can I write this as sine of 35 into 30, which is sine of 1050 degrees? बेटे हुन की करांगे? हुन साडियां जो rotations हैं 2 तो भी अगे चलेगी, more than 2 rotations now. So that means, can I write this as sine of 3 into 360 degrees? Because 3 into 360 is 1080 minus 30 degrees. 3 complete rotations minus 30 degrees, which means it falls in the 4th quadrant. So minus sine 30. So the answer is minus half. So which means now 1 by 1, if we substitute the values here, it is root 3 by 2, it is root 3 by 2, then it is plus half, then it is minus half. What is that? 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4, it is 2 by 4, which is your half. So this is your correct answer. Right, beta? Is this clear? Yes, that side answer is half. So still any student having any problem in this? In second part, why didn't cos change to sine? Second part is this one. Okay. This part is, why did it change to sine? Tamanas, it will change only when you have, that is your odd multiples of 90 degree at this place. It is 720, beta. Very good question, at least you are asking me. So it is now 720 is even multiples of 90 degree. So T ratio is never going to change. T ratio changes when you have cos of 90 plus minus theta or cos of 3 pi by 2 plus minus theta. You can see that both are odd multiples of pi by 2. Since here it is even multiple of pi by 2, so your T ratio will not change. I hope you can understand this point here now. Is that clear? So is this clear to all of you? Any other question from any other student? You can ask me any question relating to this. Otherwise we better ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਕਰੋਗੇ ਨਾ, even ਤੁਹਾਡੇ physics ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ starting ਵਾਲੇ chapter ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, it's going to be very useful. So in its root properly karna. Okay beta, that's great. Now any student having any other problem, please, yes, please do ask me. Now next question is, so this is cos of 510 degrees into cos of 330 degrees plus sine of 390 degrees, and this multiplied by cos of 120 degrees. So tendency should be to solve the question, but a speed at least in the beginning matter nahi kardi. So mainu answer deo chahe tusi, you can take 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 1 minute, 30 seconds, tusi jinna time launa tusi lao, but try to solve this question, please, all of you. So all of you, please try to get the answer to this question. So this is cos of 510 degrees. Solve the question. So in a minute we will discuss the question, but first once again let every student get the answer to this question. Yes, बेटा सारे students जरूर करो try. All of you, yes, do try to get the answer. Do try to solve this. Okay, beta, okay, we will discuss it. So, to start with, first is cos of 510. Cos 360 plus 150. So this is equal to cos 150. So this can be written as cos of 180 minus 30, which is your minus cos 30, which is your minus root 3 by 2. So anyone having any problem in this? The value of cos 510 is minus root 3 by 2. So any student having any problem in this, please try to indicate this. Anyone having any problem in the value of cos of 510? Is that clear? Okay. Now, coming to the next one. Cos of 330 degrees. This is equal to cos of 360 minus 30. It's okay, beta. Cos 360 minus 30 is cos 30, which is your root 3 by 2. So that is cos 330 is cos 360 minus 30 is equal to cos 30, which is your root 3 by 2. Coming to the next one, sine 390, which is sine 360 plus 30. Sir, okay. So sine 360 plus 30 is sine 30, which is your half. Now the next one is cos 120, which is your cos 180 minus 60, which is minus cos 60, which is your minus half. Isn't cos 150 in the second quadrant and it would be negative? Where is cos 150? So cos of 150. So yes, it is coming to with a negative. You can see that the value is minus root 3 by 2. Yes, Bramjos, your answer is correct. Tanish, your answer is not correct, beta. So Samir, you can see here it is in the second quadrant. That's why it is coming to with a negative here. Now, when you substitute the values here, so it is cos of 510 minus root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2 sine 390 is half into minus half. So that means it comes out to be minus 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4, which is minus 4 by 4, which is your minus 1. So what is the exact answer to this question? It is minus 1 here. So minus 1 is beta is the exact answer here. Now listen. ਹੁਣ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਰਨਾ ਕੀ ਹੈ ਬੇਟੇ ਕਿ you are getting problems here ਪਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ solve ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ answers vary ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਨ so best way out because ਬੇਟਾ ਜੇ ਤਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ 1 to 1 ਆਪਾਂ ਕਲਾਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੁੰਦੇ proper classroom ਹੁੰਦਾ ਤਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਉੱਥੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਡਿਸਕਸ ਕਰ ਲੈਂਦਾ ਜਾਂ before the class or after the class now how at the last is minus half you are talking about which minus half okay question is from same because 120 degree it is in the second quadrant sorry yes in the second quadrant cos of the angle is negative so cos 60 half minus into half that is why it is minus half here right beta yes jo aapa gal kar rahe si but first let me complete this so jo kisi student nu koi problem aa rahi hai bete tusi immediately after this class after the class is over ਮੈਨੂੰ ਜੋ ਸਵੇਰ ਨਾਲ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਸੋਲਵ ਕੀਤੇ ਹੈ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇਸ ਨੰਬਰ ਤੇ ਪਲੀਜ਼ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ WhatsApp ਕਰੋ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੇ ਦਿਖਾਓ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਮਿਸਟੇਕ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਫਾਈਂਡ ਆਊਟ ਕਰਕੇ ਦੱਸਾਂਗਾ ਵੇਅਰ ਯੂ ਆਰ ਗੈਟਿੰਗ ਰੋਂਗ ਸੋ ਉਸ ਰੀਜ਼ਨ ਕਰਕੇ ਬੇਟਾ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਬਿਕੋਜ਼ ਮਿਸਟੇਕ ਮੈਂ ਦੇਖਣੀ ਹੈ ਮੇਬੀ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਲੱਗ ਰਿਹਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਗਲਤ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਮੇਬੀ ਉਹ ਠੀਕ ਹੋਏ ਬਟ ਕਿਤੇ ਕੈਲਕੂਲੇਸ਼ਨ ਮਿਸਟੇਕ ਹੈ so whether you are doing it with 90 plus yes you can do it beta 90 plus 30 also whether you are doing it with odd multiples of 90 plus minus something or even multiples of 90 plus minus something whatever you are doing जिस स्टूडेंट ਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਆ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਅੱਜ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹਰ ਹਾਲਤ ਪੁੱਛਣਾ ਹੈ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਵੈਸੇ ਇੱਕ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦੱਸ ਦਿੰਦਾ ਬਿਕੋਜ਼ ਰੀਜ਼ਨ ਬੀਇੰਗ ਮੇਬੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਹਜੇ ਤੱਕ ਮਿਲੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਜੋ ਪਲੱਸ 2 ਦੇ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਕੰਟੀਨਿਊ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਆ ਤਾਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ 80% ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟਸ ਹੈ ਬੇਟੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੀਆਂ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮਸ ਨਾਲ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਡਿਸਕਸ ਕਰ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਮੀਨਸ ਆਫਟਰ ਦੀ ਕਲਾਸ ਸੋ ਮਤਲਬ ਡਿਊਰਿੰਗ ਦੀ ਕਲਾਸ ਜਿੰਨੀ ਇੰਟਰੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਤਾਂ ਹੈ ਹੀ ਹੈ ਪਰ ਅਦਰਵਾਈਜ਼ ਉਹ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਨਸਰਸ ਪੁੱਛ ਰਹੇ ਆ Smee, you have asked me that cos 510 will be in the second quadrant. That's right. Then it will be equal to minus cos 150. But a cos of 360 Smee plus minus, okay, not plus minus, plus angle is always cos of the angle. Now you have to reduce this angle to the, that is your acute angle form. So you can see that now you are saying that 510 is in the second quadrant. If it is in the second quadrant, then how can your answer be positive here? It cannot be positive. You can see here. So that's why it is cos of 360 plus 150, irrespective of this angle here. Now it is always going to be equal to cos of 150. Now you reduce this angle to the acute angle by writing this as 90 plus 60 or writing it as 180 minus 30 here. Okay, now listen. So one last question जो कि मैं expect करांगा कि तुसी मेरे सारे students बहुत positive response देके आप इस class ਨੂੰ आज complete कर रहे हैं बेटा. Now the next question is so this is 2 sine square pi by 6 plus cosecant square. This is cosec square 7 pi by 6 into cos square pi by 3. You have to tell me what is the value of this. Find the value of this here. Okay, but it's me fine. So find out the value of this expression. Okay, beta, now let me discuss this question. First of all, to all those students who have got the answer as negative or 0, we will see whether it is possible or not. This is square quantity, so it cannot be negative. Sine is positive. This is square. This is square. So how can your answer be 0 or negative? What is the exact answer? We will see it right now. But you tell me how your answer can be negative or 0. This is 2 times sine 30, 1 by 2 square plus So cosecant of this is your 210 and its whole square. Cos of 60, which is your half and its whole square. So this is your 2 into 1 by 4 plus cosecant of 180 plus 30 its whole square into 1 by 4. Okay, so this is equal to half plus cosecant 180 plus 30 is minus cosecant 30 its square into 1 by 4. Right, beta? So this is half plus cosecant 30 is 2 its square into 1 by 4. So it is 1 by 2 plus 4 into 1 by 4. This is 1 by 2 plus 1. This is equal to 3 by 2. So this is the answer here. Okay, beta. So the answer to this question is 3 by 2. बेटे मैं ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਚੀਜ਼ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਵੀ ਕਹੀ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਨੂੰ ਇੰਪਰੂਵ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੋ ਨਾ ਤਾਂ ਜੋ ਚੀਜ਼ ਹੈ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਟੀਚਰ ਦੇ ਮਗਰ ਚਿੱਚੜ ਬਣ ਕੇ ਪੈ ਜਾਓ ਕਿ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਆ ਚੀਜ਼ ਕਰਾਓ. रीजन बीइंग बेटा जे तुसी नहीं तुसी if hesitation is from your part ਤਾਂ बेटा you are going to be the loser. और जो स्टूडेंट डिस्कस करता रहेगा इवन इन फैक्ट ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਚੋਂ ਬਹੁਤ स्टूडेंट्स हैं ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਿ from the last 3 4 5 6 days ਉਹ ਕੰਟੀਨਿਊ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ बेटा ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਆਪਣੀ डिस्कशन during the class even after the class even before the class ਉਹ ਆਪਣੇ क्वेश्चंस ਮੈਨੂੰ ਪੁੱਟ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ और ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਰਿਸਪੌਂਡ ਬੈਕ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ. So today's lecture was very important. Yesterday we had discussed just the t ratios of allied angles, पर जब आज आप application कर रहे हैं देख लो अपनी mistakes हो रही हैं. So before your next class I want that fundas of all the students should be clear. So immediately मैं expect करांगा कि जे कोई student ਨੂੰ कोई problem आ रही है ਤਾਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ even you can call me up, ਮੈਨੂੰ call करो, ਮੈਨੂੰ WhatsApp ਤੇ अपने question send करो. बट यह बहुत जरूरी है अपने लिए 1-to-1 इंटरैक्शन वास्ते ताकि जो आप मिलना है या जो अपनी ट्रिग्नोमेट्री प्रोसीड करनी है आना हो कि अपने ये बेसिस दे क्वेश्चंस गलत हो जाए. सो नेक्स्ट क्लास तो पहला बेटा अपने आज जो सारे फंडामेंटल्स है जरूर क्लियर कर देना. ठीक है बेटा, थैंक यू वेरी मच.